Okay, now we're going to look at inequalities. Inequalities are going to be a little bit different. We're going to start off doing it in a similar way. So let's look at this first inequality example, and let's go through and set it up the same way, assuming there was no inequality. It's just an equal sign there. So I have 3 right there, and then I have negative x squared. Oh, wrong button. Negative x squared plus 4. Go ahead and press enter, and I'm going to look at the graph. So there's my 3, and there is my quadratic that comes through it. Here's where it gets a little tricky. Which needs to be bigger? This is a greater than, which means that this number right here needs to be bigger. Bigger means taller. So this area right in here, that's what I'm looking to find, where my x values are in this area. So I want values that are bigger than 3. I'm trying to figure out where my values are bigger than 3. So it looks like this is -1 to +1, that all these values are bigger than 3. So let's test it. Look at the table, and where are these y2 values bigger or the same than the first one? So that's the same, so that's -1, and that is true all the way taller, smaller, okay, to 1. But because these are inequalities, because we want everything in here, we write it as an interval. You may also see it written as -1 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Either way these works, doing an interval notation is perfectly fine for me.